Welcome back to Wholesaling Quickies, the series where I try to get my idea out before your short attention span disappears. Today, we're going to talk about condition, that thing that all wholesalers love to just berate sellers with. Can you tell me about the condition of your property? Can you tell me about the age of the tile, the appliances, the roof, the HVAC? You guys want to know every last little detail when it comes to the condition of the property. And here's my question to you: why? I talk to wholesalers all the time, and they want to tell me that they suck at comping and underwriting. It's one of the skill sets that they need to work on the most. Yet, for whatever reason, when it comes to talking to sellers, condition is what you want to talk about the most. Yet, it's the thing that you're the weakest at: underwriting, coming up with how much in repairs the house is going to need. And let's be honest, at the end of the day, all you're going to do is throw a big, fat, juicy, round number, or if you're doing it incorrectly, a small, tiny, insignificant round number inside of your calculator for repairs. So why does it really matter if you're going to ask all these little tiny details? How old are the countertops? When was the last time you replaced the cabinets? Listen, talk to me a little bit about the condition of your property. Whatever they tell you, make some solid assumptions, be aggressive on the rehab. This is the benefit of virtually wholesaling. You are buying the property sight unseen. You don't need to go in and find out every last little detail, because this is your opportunity to say, tell me what the condition of your property is. They tell you, you make assumptions, and then when you go out and you actually do recon on the property and truly determine what the condition of the property is, you could say, Mr. and Mrs. Seller, you said the property was in good condition. But now that we've gone out and we've fully inspected the property, we have determined that we have to replace the HVAC and the roof, and all of the interior cosmetics need to be redone. And based off of this, this is where we truly need to be. This business model is exactly what the iBuyers like. Open door, do. This is where we stole the idea back in 2020. Okay? So when I'm on the phone with the seller, what I care about is price, motivation. Of course, I need to understand, generally speaking, the condition, but you will bog down a conversation. It ruins the vibe and the energy inside the conversation if you want to ask every last little detail about condition. Final thoughts on condition and you asking all these questions. How many of you out there that are currently asking more than 3 questions when it comes to condition have ever remodeled the house? Have ever flipped a house? Have ever truly written a bid for remodeling a house? You probably never have. So if that's the case, why are you spending so much time on the phone with a seller asking questions where you are completely ignorant and you don't know the answer to? Plug in big, fat, juicy number, whatever it is, add a little bit more to it because you're probably wrong and you're not giving your end buyer enough. And that's how you land inside the web, where end buyers buy. You trying to be precise and know every last little detail is ruining your relationship with the seller. All right, guys, that's our episode of Wholesaling Quickies. Let me know if you agree or disagree inside the comments. Show me some love. Like today's video. We'll see you guys tomorrow.